tourism sector and we have started taking the changes, getting reforms what are required. Beach ajer पळयतकर beach cleaning जावं बाकीचे beach safety जावं other issues which are there illegally happening, that is something which have been irritating the tourists who have been coming down. आम्ही clean आणि safe beaches समज दितली message, a lot of things needed to be done. आज we have had meetings with the DGP and the concerned police officials that we need to work together, ensure that Atithi Devo Bhava really comes in proper form. एक म्हणल्यार फायन जे टुरिस्टांक मारता अनवॉन्टेडली, द हॅरेसमेंट or I would say the problems of the tourist face normally on the highways or roads, whether they are two-wheelers or four-wheelers, where they are stopped for chalan, ते पहिले परत रिव्यू करून तांकां कशें बरें करचें पडटा, how we can be more hospitable to them and show that we are really meaning the theme of Atithi Devo Bhava is one part. Secondly, जो आमचे in terms of the beach, so beach management, surveillance cameras, how we can get better equipped facilities in terms of creating security to the tourist who is coming, who is using this particular beach, at the same time ensuring that whatever facilities are required, we are able to provide to them. हातून पुलिसेचो रोल along with आमचे security नाल्यार वॉर्डन जे आसता तांचो इम्पॉर्टंट आसा कोऑर्डिनेशनाक. जंय बीच क्लिनिंग कंपनी आसा, एक दृष्टी जी लायफ सेविंगा खातीर आसा, मागीर तुजी डायरेक्टर ऑफ टुरिझम आसा, पुलीस आसा, ह्यो सगळ्यो एजन्सीज नीड टू कोऑर्डिनेट टुगेदर टू एन्श्योर वी आर एबल टू गेट दिस पर्टिक्युलर आउटपुट. We need some immediate action to be taken on illegalities that are happening along the coastal belt, which normally create harm to the tourists who are coming down and give a bad message. आज आम्ही जो रिव्ह्यू घेतला त्या रिव्ह्यू प्रमाणे we will ensure that proper monitoring is done, action against illegal things will start. Use of technology in the next few weeks, we will start to ensure smooth coordination so that in the first instance the stakeholders are there, and second we will also try and take the public in between, so we are able to create in the coming season, we are able to create that impression of clean and safe beaches for the people of Goa. So beach cleaning जो आसा तो integrated management policies आहे पडटली, जातूंतल्यान not only cleaning but surveillance, clearing of illegalities, ensuring safety, surveillance not only through police but also through cameras, everything will be in this area on priority taken up and taken out through the next coming weeks. So आयच्या मिटिंगेंतल्यान we will ensure that we take every stakeholder and talk to them, and जशें आमकां पुलिसांनी हे illegalities clear करपाक जाय, तशेंच आमचे जे stakeholders are, they might be shack operators, they might be water sports people in different trades, we need them to come together and help us to make Goa a better place. It shouldn't be that we try one ideas and they create a different message. So तांचे issues करून तांचो issue solve करपा जाय, तांचो issue solve करून they become the proper brand ambassadors for the people who are traveling to Goa as tourists, and that is how we create a synergy. ताजेर आज काम सुरू जे केल्लें आसा, तातूंतल्यान first plan is first having a joint meeting with tourism and with our police officials. The next stage in days to come we will speak out.